Sorry, your delivery is delayed. It's still in space. Every good tech company, they almost went bankrupt before making it big. And you guys just do it since you seem to be trying to go to outer space. So why does this matter? Hey there, folks, and welcome back to another episode of the Evening Goose. Once again, I'm your host, Andrew Ginsberg. I'm a former tech employee turned stand-up comedian, and now I'm dedicating all my time to uncovering the latest and greatest updates in news, technology, AI, and beyond. And today we're going to be talking about Firefly Aerospace. If you haven't heard of Firefly Aerospace, they just became the first private company to land a spacecraft on the moon. Wink, wink. Just kidding. In my opinion, it's official. The space race is no longer just NASA versus Russia. Now it seems like it's billionaires and private companies duking it out, trying to get that lunar real estate, baby. That lunar real estate. Pretty weird time to be alive. And if you haven't heard of Firefly Aerospace, don't feel bad. I never heard of them either until like 2 weeks ago. They specialize in small and medium class rockets, which means they're like the Spirit Airlines of space travel. And if you like this type of content, just remember to hit like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and we appreciate you. Firefly was founded in 2014, and like every good tech company, they almost went bankrupt before making it big. Now, with the help of NASA contracts and mysterious private funding, they've just made history by landing their Blue Ghost lander on the moon. Side note, Blue Ghost, that sounds like a big bag of weed. Firefly's lander was part of NASA's Commercial Lunar Payload Services program, meaning NASA said, hey, we don't feel like sending another Apollo mission. Can you guys just do it since you seem to be trying to go to outer space? And being tech people, Firefly, completely underestimating how big of a project it would be or what would be involved, said, yeah, for sure, whatever, we'll do that. Let's put a deck together. I'm sure we could do that. The lander carried all kinds of stuff on it, like scientific instruments, tech demos. There's probably a GoPro duct taped on the side somewhere for the TikTok. I'm hoping that they had a big bag of that blue lander. Launched on SpaceX Falcon 9 platform, because obviously these days, if you're trying to go to space, you gotta give Elon his cut, baby. Give Elon his cut. The craziest part, unlike government-run Apollo missions, Firefly did this privately. No Cold War pressure, no weird JFK speech, just a bunch of engineers with startup energy saying, yeah, let's send something to the moon. Let's work till 10 p.m. tonight. So why does this matter? We're entering a new era where the moon isn't just a scientific curiosity, it's a business opportunity. If private companies can send stuff to the moon, what's next? Moon tourism? Lunar Uber Eats? Sorry, your delivery is delayed. It's still in space. Firefly is proving that space isn't just for NASA, China, or Russia anymore. Now it's good enough for anyone with a good enough business plan and a high enough credit limit. And this is just the beginning. Companies like Astrobotic and Moon Machines are lining up their own lunar lander missions. Firefly Aerospace just made history, and the space race just got a whole lot weirder. We're in a new era where the moon isn't just for astronauts, it's for techie nerd startups now too. Great. If this interests you, please like and subscribe. I'm Andrew Ginsberg with the Evening Goose. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.